from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to say.
Hey guys, what's up? It's been a great morning start. Once again, welcome back to the channel. This time we are at Portland, Oregon. Our first stop is at Multnomah Falls. It is believed to be one of the magnificent waterfall and among the top tourist attraction of Portland. So yeah, let's see and take some wonderful memories. Before heading to Multnomah Falls, let's go to downtown and grab some the very famous voodoo donuts. As per I know, their donuts are quite famous in US, and their very first shop was launched in Portland itself, so why not? And the best thing is that they have vegan options too. So yeah, let's go and check out.
I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm slow, got blurry vision. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already. I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy, I'm lost already. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
Welcome back guys. We are in Portland downtown. And it's true, you can't go to Portland without having voodoo donuts. It's morning and the long queue you can already see. If you don't know, this shop is open 24 hours. They have over 55 varieties of donuts.
Oh yeah.
Alright, now let's go and get some donuts. As many of you might know, Portland's a weird, a little kooky, and voodoo donuts bring that into their donuts. They are known for their creative flavors and some creative toppings. And yeah, here it is.
Thank you so much.
We are going with vegan option. The inner feelings are completely different from each other. And now we are finally heading towards Multnomah Falls. It's along the Columbia River Gorge.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known.
We reach our second destination of the day, the Multnomah Falls. So we are about to hike up a bit that. Let's get to the big famous glorious waterfall. And there it is. Wow, we made it. It looks really pretty with all the splash of water and the sound is soothing itself. We took some pictures at the lower level perch and that's the trail to go up the bridge. So yeah, let's go to the top bridge and get a better view. The stream adjacent to waterfall is going all down with the fall. Alright, we made it to the top bridge and that's the beautiful view. So there are more hiking trails over, but we are good for the day. Let's get back to our third destination of the day. So on the way to Columbia River, you can explore many nearby tourist attractions and beautiful waterfalls within the range of 15 to 13 minutes drive. We are heading to U.s.a House located at the Crown's Point, built in 1917. Let's go. There are so many pit stops along the way and the road journey is just amazing itself. We almost about to reach our third destination, the U.s.a House. The location is at the Crown Point, so you can get a complete eye view of the Columbia River. As I said earlier, the U.s.a House was built in 1917 on one of the most beautiful scenic points on the historic Columbia River Highway. And that's the beautiful Columbia River, the overall view.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name. Oh, if I let you into the secret
adjacent to it is Natural Fall is a single drop waterfall. You don't have to walk far at all. So the best part is that you can go all the way down the fall, and that's pretty awesome. I think all the waterfalls are just pretty on its own.
Waiting my whole life, is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel.
And beside it, we took the rest and watched the sunset. And here is the time lapse for you guys. That's it for the day. I hope आपको आज का वीडियो देख के अच्छा लगा हो. If so, then please subscribe to my channel. मिलते हैं next week with some another content. Till then, live more, judge less, and look beyond horizon. See you soon. Goodbye.